I looked at the entire website for you last night. I was on there for 20 minutes.
I know, bro, but even that dark shirt, you know what it is?
So we got a lot done today. Some work, we got a good workout in, got some food. Now I'm gonna be heading out for an early evening dinner with a buddy of mine, if that makes sense. So let's put together a fit. To start off the outfit, I wanna wear these Home Plissé Issei Miyake. Home Plissé Issei Miyake, I think that's how you say it. But like, these are my favorite pants for the spring. And yes, I did spend a lot of money on these, but when you just put them on, the way they look with the shoe, it's just absolutely insane. So I'll be completely honest with you guys. I've been recently investing a lot of money into very good pants. I've never been the type of person to spend money on pants. I've been more of the guy to spend money on shoes, accessories, and shirts, but this spring, summer, for some reason, I've just been investing into good quality pants. Now, these pants just have this look to them where you look like you're wearing track pants, but then you look like you're wearing a dress pant. So it's a perfect in between if you want to wear with an overshirt or just a simple basic t-shirt or tank top for the spring and summer. Look at me, I'm literally justifying it, why I spent money on these pants. So I think this outfit will go for like a cool old money aesthetic, more like a new old money aesthetic. So like if old money had a high-end fashioned look, this would be like my version of that, if that makes sense. So I recently just got this Banana Republic, I didn't even take the tag off. You can see it's literally brand new. I just got this Banana Republic linen shirt. And to be honest, I've been looking for a linen shirt. I've been buying Mango, Zara, I've bought an Abercrombie, but like the ones from Banana Republic for some reason just fit me so well. Now for some reason, I don't know why it was so hard for me to find a linen shirt recently, the past month. I swear I've been like literally returning and buying linen shirts for like the past 3 weeks. And I just realized that my other black linen shirt is also from Banana Republic. And I'm like, why don't I just buy it in white if I like it? Because I felt like the Zara ones and the Mango ones and the Abercrombie ones were way too long for me. So I'm not the tallest guy, I'm around 5'8", 5'9", when I have shoes on. But I feel like they were just too long. And I like that this kind of has like a nice like crop. It's not too short, it's not too long. It's a perfect fit. Now another recent pickup that I just got, probably like, no, actually not really recent, but like 4 months ago. But I'm obviously gonna wear it a lot more in the spring, summer than I will in the winter time, is this YSL New Era cap. I just feel like it gives such an elevated look. And yes, I did spend a lot of money on this, but I just think it's worth it. Like I love spending money on good quality basics that I'm just gonna have pretty much forever. I also feel like I'm just at an age now where if I spend money on clothes, for me, because I am in this business, it just kind of makes sense. So I kind of just justify it. Now for jewelry accessories, if you guys been following me for a long time, you guys know I love my David Yurman pendant. And then I have my 2 rings here as well from David Yurman. Now for me, I just always love wearing, you know, kind of silver or white gold. I just feel like it really matches my vibe. Not that I have anything against yellow gold. I just kind of like the vibe of the silver. And then I always have this Cartier Trinity bracelet. I just kind of like keep it on as well, but we'll just go with these accessories for now. And for shoes, yes, my white Alexander McQueen's. Now, guys, there's not really any other designer out there that's pretty much released a white leather sneaker like this that I really love. Now again, the white McQueen sneakers, they always just look good with any pant I put on, whether the pant is a little bit more slim, whether the pant is a little bit more baggy. The versatility of this shoe has just been pretty much a staple in my wardrobe. Now, how can we forget about a nice cologne? Lately, guys, I've been wearing the Givenchy, I think it's called Gentleman Society, I'm pretty sure, but this stuff just smells absolutely amazing. Now again, like I said, because this is kind of a new old money high fashion look, this was kind of like the vibe I want to go for tonight. Also, if we were gonna be like on a patio or something tonight, at least I have this sweater. If I do kind of just like want to put it on or kind of like throw it over me, I just feel like having the sweater over just is kind of like a cool accessory to any outfit. But like, boys, check out the fit. It's very flowy, it's very stylish, it's very up-to-date fashion. Guys, if you guys are wearing tight pants that literally look like leggings, you need to get rid of them.
without